Today is Wednesday, May 8th. This is the 1969-1970 Cadillac trunk lid activating solenoid for releasing of the trunk. And this will be going to my friend Noel Brendan Boggins in San Francisco. I've gone ahead and connected the unit to power, and I'm going to do a functional validation test. First thing I'll do is I'll retract the latch, lock it in place, and I'll go ahead and apply power. And the unit has a very strong snap and release. Again, I'll prime the latch and actuate. Prime the latch, actuate. Prime the latch, actuate. So this is the 1969-1970 Cadillac trunk lid deck release activating solenoid. And this will be going to my friend Noel Brendan Boggins in San Francisco as soon as I get his okay to ship apply confirmation. This is George in Florida. I have over 75,000 original vintage 1967 to 1970 Cadillac items, and I restore the power seat mechanisms, the power door locks, the trunk lid devices, as well as restoration of the original vintage Cadillac steering wheels with the wood grain inlay and steering columns. Thank you very kindly.